Let's take a quick look at how we can analyze the results on your Ads Manager. So one thing that you can easily do is you can add customized columns. Let me show you how to customize your columns. So these are standard metrics that we normally look at, but for example, let's say you are on e-commerce and you want to see what's the cost per click. Here is CPC, I can add. You also want to see the number of clicks, you can add that also. Click-through rate, you can add that also. So there are a lot of different metrics that you can share and you can have, and based on your requirement, you can have these as well. For example, let's say you are doing a campaign to promote a video, and you can even see what are the videos that are played completely, played 50%. You can even see this kind of metrics. One very important metric that we definitely look at is cost. So the cost per click, cost per lead, cost per acquisition, we closely take a look at all of these things and you can easily find them. Let's say if you want to find something that you want to find, here is a search bar. You can search for whatever you want and you can have all of these. And once it's here, let's say I want ad account ID. I want ad ID, and I want it on the top to see which of my ads are very expensive. So I can arrange it accordingly and then I can see all of these. These are dummy data. So you will see here is my ad ID. Let me show you the column. Yeah. Let's do that again. Yeah, next to budget. Yeah, here we have the ad ID. So you can see it at different levels, and the next thing that you can do is you can go to from a campaign level, you can see different breakdowns. So for example, you want to see how this has worked or how your campaign has worked based on age. So you can see what kind of age these campaigns have worked for. So here we are seeing um, 18 to 24. In this campaign, it's people 25 to 34, putting a lot of messages, and also the cost is all right. It's not a massive cost, but here you see it's a little higher cost, and it's nothing of significant for you to go and fix. But this kind of breakdowns will give you an understanding of what different things that you can get. For example, let's say you can see the delivery by platform as well. Which platform did it really work? Was it Instagram? Was it Facebook? So you can see which platform is really working for you, and then you can optimize for that accordingly. If you look here, you will see most of our performance on this ad account is through Facebook, and it has done well on Facebook. So we need to kind of game up on Facebook itself. It's very simple, and then in terms of reporting, you can export this table report, or you can even create a custom report. I'll show you the custom report in detail in the next video.